We begin with a second lawsuit filed after the approval of the nation's first religious charter school here in Oklahoma. This time, it's from the state's top lawyer. Attorney General Gentner Drummond promised from the beginning to take action if the state board approved St. Isidore Virtual Catholic Charter School. We talked with Drummond a short time ago, and 2 News anchor Erin Christy has the latest.
St. Isidore of Seville Catholic Virtual School has made it clear this would be a Catholic school with Catholic teachings. Regardless, the Oklahoma Statewide Virtual Charter School Board gave it the green light as a taxpayer-funded religious school earlier this month. Oklahoma Attorney General Gentner Drummond says it's a clear violation of the law that could open the door for extreme religious groups.
It could be a satanic temple, it could be any variety of religious instruction that could seek state funding for that. Now, that's the opposite of religious liberty.
In a lawsuit filed Friday in the state Supreme Court, Drummond accuses the board of violating their oaths and the state constitution. Board Chairman Bob Franklin was one of 2 no votes for the school. He told 2 News he wouldn't sign the contract. Drummond said he named the entire board because that's the legal process.
Chairman Franklin, I think, took a very courageous stand to say, I took an oath just like Drummond, and I'm not going to violate the Constitution. Therefore, I will not sign the contract. Notwithstanding that, I still had to name he and his colleague.
Drummond also cited concerns that without courts intervening on St. Isidore opening, Oklahoma could be at risk of losing more than $1 billion a year in education funds because it would be breaking a contract.
The likelihood of the Federal Department of Education discontinuing the funding of our public education in Oklahoma is high. It's a risk that I'm unwilling to take.
Opponents say taxpayer dollars shouldn't go to private schools that allow for discrimination against sexual orientation and disabilities. They are under no obligation to provide special education. Drummond added that aside from the host of legal issues, it's an extreme waste of taxpayer dollars when everyone involved knew lawsuits were imminent. Erin Christy, 2 News, Oklahoma.
Governor Kevin Stitt and State Superintendent Brian Walters both pushed for the school, but Walters and the State Board of Education are among the defendants in a lawsuit filed by 10 faith leaders, parents, and such organizations as Americans United for the separation of church and state. In a statement this afternoon, Americans United said that they applaud the Attorney General's decision. Governor Kevin Stitt released a statement about Drummond's lawsuit, calling it a political stunt that runs counter to Oklahoma values and the law. We put his full statement for you on KJRH.com.